Just a heads up for people who are having issues with their PS4 controller no longer charging or being recognized. This is the culprit. I found this part on eBay for $1.64 posted from Hong Kong, I believe. I'll put the link of the eBay store or for the item where I bought it from in the section below. This one here is out of the controller already because I've fixed it. Looks exactly the same. As you take apart the controller, you'll see how everything comes apart and where the ribbon goes into there to the controller. Yeah, it's so easy, and for the sake of buying another $60 to $80 controller, you just $1.64. Can't say much more than it was great. Saved ourselves some money. But yeah, that's the offending piece. Just seems to fail in the port area there. I don't know why, but I've just replaced that, the whole thing, and yeah, it's on charge at the moment. So I'll put the link below, and hopefully it helps other people with the PlayStation 4 controllers. They're notorious for it. See ya.